Welcome to Real Life Wednesday, where we talk about the challenges of staying low carb and carnivore in everyday situations. Today's challenge, eating out without falling off plan. We've all been there. You sit down and the bread basket is on the table and you're suddenly in a willpower battle before you even see the menu. Step 1, skip the bread. Tell the server, no bread for the table, please, and you've already won round 1. And even before that, if you can take a look at the menu so you have an idea before you even get there, you may not even have to open it up and you can make your choice. Step 2, scan for protein. Every menu has options: steak, chicken, fish, shrimp, or even a bunless burger, salmon even. Make protein the centerpiece. Step 3, swap the sides. Trade fries, rice, or pasta for double veggies or a side salad, or even another protein if you're carnivore. Believe it or not, restaurants are very used to substitutions, and you'll be surprised how often they'll happily make the switch. Step 4, and this is the one that is so sneaky and gets me all the time. Remember, I ordered a steak and it was sweet. They had some kind of glaze on it or marinated it in something sweet. So you have to watch the sauces. Glazes, dressings, and dips can be sneaky carb bombs. Ask for them on the side or go with butter, olive oil, or plain seasoning. One of the other influencers carries a card and says, I'm allergic to seed oils. You have to use olive oil or butter. I guess it works. And let's not forget drinks. Soda and sweet cocktails and even certain beers can add up really fast. Stick with water, sparkling water, unsweetened iced tea, or if you want an adult drink, a dry wine or a simple spirit with soda water is the lowest impact. And here's my PT meets Primal tip. Don't stress about perfection. Focus on the basics. Protein plus carb swaps plus a smart drink, and you'll enjoy the night out without guilt, without bloat, and you'll feel just as good tomorrow as you do today. Consistency matters, remember. Share your favorite restaurant keto hack in the comments, and I may feature it in a future episode. This is Dr. Rose. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.